X Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding out front bumper.
Terrible parking.
No parking here.
I know, I'm gonna park on the street. Nice 86. The closest parking is probably your house.
I know.
Here at Cafe 86 in Northridge, have never been. They have a car meet here and it's really packed.
Parking sucks.
I know.
This high. How you been?
Just here, man.
How's drifting?
It's good.
Yeah?
Cars are good. Back in the old Corollas.
Did you make it like your career now or what?
No. I'm a respiratory therapist.
Oh, so you're still an art?
No, I'm trying to make it as a vlogger.
Oh, a blogger now. Not a drifter anymore.
Not
huh?
a drifter. This is what we call quiz time. All right. How big is the displacement of a 4AG?
1.6.
Okay. Where are we?
We are at...
Do the intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to Instagram. We are here today at Cafe 86. I don't know if you can see it back there. Today is the grand opening. So unfortunately, there's no parking anywhere. So all the Corollas are scattered.
Wheel specs.
What's up?
Wheel specs.
1470.
Okay, when did you get these? What year? What's the year of manufacture on these?
2003, 4, something.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your Corolla? One thing, favorite thing.
Oh, the smell.
The smell.
Toyota.
Okay.
It's an old car.
Old smelly Toyota.
It's an old car, yeah.
What's the compression ratio of a 20 valve silver top?
Oh, it's like, I don't know, that's tough. I think mine is like very, very low. I think it's about to blow. It's like 60. It's misfiring. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know, man. That's a good question, though.
Why is this car so low?
It's not low enough still, but I have cut springs like a motherfucker, and I got the Swift battle garage with springs in the back.
Quiz. Pop quiz, sir.
Yeah.
What's the compression ratio of a 3SGE blacktop?
Oh man, you asked the wrong guy. I'm sorry, people.
What's the bore and stroke?
I have no clue.
It's 86 millimeter bore and 86 millimeter stroke, and the compression ratio is 11.5 to 1. 11 to 1 is the automatic engine.
Can I ask another question?
Okay, other question. How many different front ends did this chassis have?
4.
Okay, name them all.
Oh no.
Do you even have these?
Oh, well,
Describe them. Describe all the different front ends.
well, there's the quad headlights,
Okay.
and there's the rectangular headlight,
The bricks. Yeah.
right? And there's a square headlight.
Okay, like mine.
Yes.
Okay.
There's one more.
There's one more.
Oh, what? Oh, wait a minute. The slant.
The slant.
The slant. Yes.
Which is my least favorite. Oh no, there's another front end too. It's slant with a square headlight. Have you seen that one?
No.
Okay, how many variations of the TE, KE chassis were there?
Oh
Name them all.
no, there's like no, there's a lot.
Name them.
I can't.
But I have a new one that I can see the
Okay, name them.
I can't name them, but I'll just say 6.
Name them. 4-door.
4-door, hatch, coupe, lift back.
Lift
Hot,
back.
yeah.
Okay. What else?
Hard top. Hard top.
Hard top.
Hard top.
Wagon.
Oh yes, the wagon. Why do I forget the wagon?
2-door wagon.
Oh, that's right.
We have
And
a
a
2-door
4
wagon. Quiz.
What's
Nice,
up?
nice car.
Thank you, thank you.
What's the displacement size for a 1UZ FE?
Ah, you got me on that one. It's 29 something. I don't remember. I'm sorry. I don't remember. I don't.
4.0.
Yeah, well, 4.0, but I'm trying to think
Oh,
cubic
in cubic
inches.
inches. Okay. All right.
4.0.
How many valves?
32?
Okay. All right. What's the compression ratio?
I don't know all that. Come on.
What's the bore and stroke?
I don't know. I don't know. I just drive the thing. I built it to be driven.
What's the clearance on the intake while cold on a 4AG? 16 valve.
Fuck, dude. I can't remember.
So next, what's the bore and stroke for a first gen blue top?
I can't remember off the top of my head.
I'll be back.
Okay. What's the compression ratio?
Shit. Should be like on the blue top. Should be 8.9 to 1, something like that.
Okay. What are the sizes for Kouki and Zenki GTS axles?
24 and 25.
24 and 25. All right. Oh, what's the bore for the brake master cylinder on a stock AE86?
I want to say 15, 16. I think. I don't remember, man.
I just like to throw out some technical questions,
You're
but
fucking me up, bro. Like, I can build it. I just don't remember the specs.
what's the bore size for a brake master cylinder for an AE86?
1316.
13/16. Ding 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 ding. What does AE88 represent? What kind of car?
GTS.
Okay, that's easy.
Is it?
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay. What size is the ring and pinion on a GTS diff?
Ring opinion? 6'7".
Okay, how about an SR5?
6'3".
Okay, how about Celica Supra?
GTS.
GTS, yeah.
GTS. It's like
7.5.
7'5".
7.5.
The other one. 7'5". Which I have that one.
Yes. Yeah. Enjoy. Mi primo, what's going on? What's your name?
Yo soy testigo.
Carlos.
Sir.
Cool. This your thing right here?
Yo soy testigo. But in a sense, it's not. Make sense?
I didn't have to, but that's the way I wanted it.
Yeah.
It's too dark.
So,
Okay, what kind of ITBs you got?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Nobody knows that.
All right. So now I'm gonna jump. Silver top ITBs. What's the bore in
Oh,
diameter?
dang. Smaller than black top.
Okay.
Good answer.
45 millimeter.
I think it is 45. Okay, what's black top?
Blacktop, let's see, that one's 45, this one's probably like, yeah, like 48.
There you go.
I don't even know the answers to these questions.
Because I actually bought one, and then it's like, oh, I measured it. It's like, oh, this, and I looked it up. It's like, oh, 45. This is for a silver top. So that's why I know.
Good to her, buddy.
Oh, patron. Oh, look, it's on there.
She's already 20.
All right, okay, I got a question. Tech tip. What size is the wheel bearing castle nut on the front hub?
Oh my goodness. 27 millimeters. No.
Wrong.
24?
Wrong.
22.
22.
Oh, okay.
22.
27 is probably like a
Okay.
S13, I don't know.
All right. What size is the differential drain plug?
Is it 17?
No.
No. 21.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, 24.
24.
Unless you did the upgrade.
Unless you
It's
modify
it's an
it.
Allen 10.
Yeah, I have an Allen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So welcome to the channel. This is probably like the second introduction. Just wanted to say hello. I want you to check out this very nice white 86. It's a real AE86 right-hand drive from Japan. As you can see on the steering wheel. Here it's well equipped with some 14 by 9.5 SSR Star Sharks.
Okay.
With some 205 50/15 tires. Toyo R888s.
Okay. What's your favorite thing about this car?
About this car is that it looks very, if I stand here, it looks very good with this El Salvador shirt.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Got this straight from the motherland in El Salvador. Thank you to Marlon out there. He has his red hatch. Corolla.
Very good.
We're gonna do a
Wagon.
Are these mini lights?
Yes, they are.
What year is this?
It's an 83.
Oh, 4AC or 3AC? 4AC.
83 is 4AC, ready to go
Manual
to the
rack
beach.
on the wagons too?
Diameter of the flywheel, and what are the multiple diameters?
Yeah, that one's past me, man.
Diameter of flywheel.
So 200 and 212?
Yeah, 212.
212?
The red top.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. How many bolts is the crankshaft for the flywheel? How many bolts?
Is it 8?
8 sounds about right.
Okay. Okay. How many bolts in the 4AC? The same?
I'll go with same. Never actually appeared on the rear one, but I don't think there's much difference between the AC and 4AG, if I'm correct.
I'm gonna say he sounds about right as well, because why would they make different crankshafts?
Yeah.
You know, it's essentially the same block.
Toyota's pretty.
It's actually 6 bolt for some of them. Yeah,
Is it
6 bolt.
Probably maybe early models for you.
Early models.
So maybe
six
this one.
bolt. Even though it's a 4A block,
Yes.
right? They use a different crankshaft for some reason. I don't know why.
Okay.
So it's a 6 bolt.
Huh.
So I'm gonna have to fact check myself, but
There you go.
Um,
Are you guys here for like the car meet or something?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys here for reservation for Kouki or not?
No.
Okay, can I ask 3 of you guys to stand in for 3 of our people real quick, because they're like running late and they're gonna cancel our reservation if we don't have 3 people.
oh sure, yeah.
Okay, take
Yeah, we're gonna stand in line.
All right.
All right.
Thank you. Okay, what just happened there?
All right, we were interviewing people as usual, and then some guy came up to us. There are 3 other buddies running late, and they would not be seated unless their whole crew of 11 were there. So us 3 filled in. We all filled in. We were this close to getting free food, but then their buddies showed up right away.
Yeah. That's close.
The old switcheroo.
There you go.
The line has finally died down enough to where we can actually go inside Cafe 86. So let's go inside. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Not too sweet. Very good. Very good. I like it. I like it. I like that color.
So nice.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on here?
He's calling everyone's car cheap.
He said we all have cheap cars.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah. They're like scared to tell me.
I wouldn't be in front or behind.
Left your wife. Left your wife. Wait.
I got your boo!
Hey, go catch it.
Oh my God.
That's it. That's his son. That's his son. You don't want to get in trouble with that. That's my son.
Keep your distance.
Okay. Careful.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Yeah.
No, it's fine, but go back your way. You need to keep your distance.
Hey, just take him home. You're gonna drive. Take him home.
Yeah, I can drive.
You'll drive.
Yeah, I can drive.
Yeah, for real. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
The daily driven Corollas. Get it.
There you go. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, make sure you like this video, comment, maybe subscribe if you want. It's up to you.
Look at this rare car.